How do I link my EA account to my gaming platform or device?
Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to link your EA account to your gaming platform. This process is quite straightforward, and we'll guide you through it step by step. Remember, linking your EA account with your gaming platform can enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to access EA games on multiple devices.
What do you need before you start?
Before you start the process, you'll need a couple of things. 1. An EA account. If you don't have one, you can create it by visiting EA's official website. 2. Your gaming platform's account information. Depending on your platform, this could be your PSN ID, Xbox Live Gamertag, Google Play account details, or Apple ID.
How do you link your EA account to your gaming platform?
The general steps for all platforms are as follows. Step 1. Log into your EA account on a browser. Step 2. In the account settings, find the option that says Connected Accounts or something similar. Step 3. Here, you will see a list of different gaming platforms. Choose the one you want to link your EA account with, and log in using your gaming platform's account information. Step 4. After logging in, agree to the terms and conditions, and your accounts will be linked.
What if you're using a specific gaming platform?
The process we just discussed is pretty standard, but there might be some variations depending on the specific gaming platform. For PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch, you'll need to log into your EA account within the game itself. When you launch any EA game on your console for the first time, you'll be prompted to log into your EA account. For Google Play or Apple, it's a bit different. You'll need to download an EA game on your device, and then you'll be prompted to log in with your EA account when you open the game. Remember, the key is to log in with your EA account whenever you are prompted within the EA game on your platform of choice. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily link your EA account to your gaming platform. This way, you'll be able to maximize your gaming experience and have your progress synced across different devices. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy gaming!